We'll guide you through how to fix the Nvidia control panel not showing the display settings. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super annoying as it means you can't go and get to these settings. So let's go and fix this. So first of all, you need to come onto your computer physically. So go and look at the back of it. So what you're going to find is that you're going to have your graphics card and also your motherboard, and your motherboard is likely to have video outputs as well. So what you need to do is make sure you've connected your monitor or display to the graphics card, not the motherboard. So the motherboard ports are likely to be at the top of your computer on the motherboard, whereas your graphics card is going to be a bit further down. So you go and make sure you're plugging your monitor or display into the graphics card. That's super important. After you've done that, go and restart your computer, and you should then go and have the display settings in your control panel. If you still don't, then what I recommend you do is you go and update your Nvidia drivers. To do that, come to the bottom of your computer and click on search, open up GeForce Experience like so, and then all you need to do is head to the top left and go and click on drivers and go to the top right. Make sure you go and choose your driver preference. For example, let's say I was using studio drivers or I want to use them. Then what I could do is come over to the right here, and there's actually an update available. So what I can do is go and click on download over to the right here. It will download and we can then go and install it. And hopefully that will solve the problem. If you found this useful, then please leave a like for more.